Is it time to repair or upgrade your auto shop equipment? Choose Dows equipment for the best 2-post and 4-post car lifts, air compressors, lubrication equipment, and more. We are a third-generation, family-owned company established in 1965 that has been serving auto shops and garages in Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, and Illinois. We work with businesses and residences of all sizes. Here at Dows, we understand that downtime can cost your business money. That's why we promise our customers, employees, and suppliers integrity and dedication to success. We perform defect-free services to our customers and ensure total satisfaction. We will personally consult with you on your project, large or small. Our team has Automotive Lift Institute certified inspectors to ensure your safety. We support the best 2-post and 4-post car lifts from Rotary, Challenger, PKS, and Benpack. Lubrication equipment from Graco, Samson, Reelcraft, compressed air systems, Energy Logic waste oil heaters, and more. We offer 24/7 emergency service for when you need it most. We also have financing on our best 2-post and 4-post car lifts and other equipment available. Reach out to us at 734-722-DOWS or visit dowsequipment.com to learn more.